Hi, Super Learners. Today we're going to review Mr. Beast Lab Swarms. Let's get into it. Now we're going to check out all of the items in the experiment. Let's get these little one right here. It's a snake. And another. And we have this one. And this one. And this one.
Keep them.
This one. And lastly, this pufferfish. My favorite one is this one. Say which one is your favorite in the comments. Right here. 2 extras. We have this one. And it's like the same as this one. And we have this one. Now let's get to the swarm. It says danger. Don't forget you need a bucket because it's pretty messy. You gotta get some water and wait. We have something is a map, and inside of it is the map that names each character and names how many characters do you have. So this is the full map, and it's a lot. Only on this side, but now let's flip it. That's a lot of characters. Now let's get to the real deal, the experiment. Need water. We need to read this first. This sign. Open it. So this side, we need to open it and put water inside. Shake it for 30 seconds and open what's inside. There's 2 of them inside of one. So we're gonna make 4 because we have 1. Let's get to it. So we need to put this back on out of here, and then we pour it inside. You close it.
Count.
1, 3, 4, 5. It's pretty messy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we check it out a little bit more. Ew. How did that work? Remember there's a wrapper inside of it though. But now it opened. Let's see what characters do we have. We got a blue caterpillar and another one of these. See what other characters are inside of this one. It's a very, very slippery like slime. Oh no. Oh no. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's see. Oh my god. Mushroom and the snail. Rings off all of our 4 characters so we could get a good look. There's a little bit of Mr. Beast is responsible of this. This is Blue Tea. He's a puffer fish and he's really spiky. He's blue. We have tube dudes. He's always a tube, but he helps community because of the sewers, and he makes us have water. He is gray and his mouth is orange, and some of these spikes are orange. This is Slime Spree. He's a snail and he has a shell over his back, and his eyelids are purple, and his skin is black. This is Sting Surge. His claws are purple, and his body is, and he's a scorpion, and he has 6 legs. This is Plant Prowler, and he's a mushroom, and his hands are green, glow in the dark green, and under it is orange. This is Prime Panther. He's blue and he has pink ears, and his claws are black. This is Tough Top. He's gold on the shell, and the bottom is silver, and his teeth is gold, and he only has 3 teeth. This is Gold Jaw Panther. It is kind of like the same as this one and this one, but the shell is gold and his ears are pink, and his body is silver, and his fingernails are gold. And this is Gamer Grip, and these two, and his hair is orange, and this is his mustache, and his mustache is orange as well, and he's gray, and his eyebrows are gray. Okay. Thanks for watching. Next video would be about the big lab swarms. Bye, super learners. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what was your favorite animal that we talked about.